Halo, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Dia Kusmaningrum from English 3B, and here I will presentation the final project about completeness to visit Japan country. And the first one is the introduction of Japan is a unitary parliamentary system, constitutional monarchy, and an island nation in East Asia. It is located at the western end of the Pacific Ocean, east of the Sea of Japan, and adjacent to China, South Korea, and Russia. The northernmost islands are in the Sea of Okhotsk, and the southernmost region is a group of small islands in the East China Sea, just south of Okinawa opposite Taiwan. And the next, the travel document. The first one is a valid passport and an onward or return ticket for tourist or business visa-free stays of up to 90 days. And number 2 is you can work on a 90-day visa-free entry. Number 3 is all foreign nationals are required to provide fingerprint scans and to be photographed at the port of entry. Exceptions to this requirement include diplomatic and official visa holders, minors, and individuals covered under SOFA Article 90.2. And next, the immigration regulation on May 24, 2006, the government of Japan promulgated a new law amending several sections of the Immigration and Review Supervision Act. Under the new immigration procedure, foreign nationals entering Japan will be required to have their fingerprints and mugshots taken at the immigration control counter, after which immigration control officer will assess their eligibility for entry into Japan. If any foreign national who is required to have his or her fingerprints and photographs taken refuses to comply with this new rule, and he or she will not be allowed to enter Japan and will be ordered to leave Japan. And the customs is free import of number 1 is tobacco products for passengers 20 years of age or older. A. Residents, number 1, 200 cigarettes, number 2, 50 cigars, number 3, 250 grams of tobacco, and number 4, 250 grams of a combination thereof, an additional equal quantity of Japanese-made tobacco articles acquired duty-free outside Japan may be imported. And B, non-residents is twice the amount is above. And number 2 is alcohol. Passengers 20 years or older, 3 bottles of alcoholic beverage of about 0.750 liter each. Number 3 is perfume is 2 ounces. And number 4 is gift and souvenirs up to 200,000 yen. And the custom prohibited is number 1 is firearms and ammunition, and the import allowed is hunting guns, air guns, and swords, provided holding a permit issued by the National Public Safety Commission. And number 2 is narcotics. Number 3, obscene or inhuman films, materials, picture, and publication. Number 4 is counterfeit money. Number 5 is all plants and vegetables with soil. Number 6 is most fresh fruits, vegetables, plants, or parts. For example, is spice, leaves, roots, and etc. And the baggage in Japan Airlines, we must fill the rules. In the number 1 is dimensions and weight. Total dimension of baggage must not exceed 203 cm, including wheels, handles, and etc. And the weight Economy and premium economy class passengers get a maximum of 2 pieces of free baggage allowance weighing no more than 23 kg each and a maximum of 3 pieces weighing no more than 32 kg each for business class and first class passengers. And for children and babies who have their own seat receive the same baggage allowance as above according to their flight class. Those who do not purchase their own seat don't receive a baggage allowance. Strollers or infant car seats can be carried free of charge and don't count towards your checked baggage allowance. And the last but not least, for the baggage cabin in the Japan Airlines, the sharp objects such as scissors and knives, an item that could potentially be used as weapons such as golf clubs, items that could be used as weapons including knives and blunt objects, and other items that could be used as weapons are not allowed to be brought into the aircraft cabin. You can bring drinks into the cabin, however, no more than 5 liters per person, and if it is an alcoholic drink, then the alcohol content must not exceed 70%. Okay, I think that's all, and thank you. See you.